Okay, we're going to be opening up a Twitter account. So I am going to open up Yahoo and click on register. I'm going to be using the same name that I used to open up the business account. So right here, I am going to choose an email, whichever one I like, and I'm going to choose the same password that I did for the business page. Keep in mind that if we are opening up an account for a Twitter business that already has an email, we don't have to do this step. So next I am going to pick a birthday, which is going to be the same birthday that we used to open up the business account. And I'm going to click on next. And now I am going to use the same questions that I used to open up the other accounts. As you can see, it's always going to be the same questions with the same answer. Just in case we need to restore this account, we don't have to go back and forth, and it's always the same information. So now put a phone number, which can be used to restore the account, and click on the captcha code, and we are done. Now I'm going to copy this email because I'm going to need it to open up the Twitter account. And now I already had Twitter open, so right here it's where you click to create a new account. So now I'm going to put the full name, being the client's business name or their actual name, and I'm going to use the same password that I used for the email and the business account. So right here you can either choose a username or leave the one that they give you. And okay, here I am going to need to start following some people. So basically I just pick random people, doesn't really matter. And you have to do the same here. Basically just pick random people, and later we will be able to follow whoever we want. So click next, and here I'm going to click on skip. And okay, so right here you have the chance to upload a picture, so I'm going to click on the client's picture and write a small biography. I believe it can't be more than 81 characters, so you have to keep it pretty small. And I'm going to click on done. So now it's going to take us to the main page, which you will see on your news feed, basically all the Twitters that have been posted by the people you're following. So I'm going to go to my Twitter account, and I'm going to click on edit the profile. So right here I'm going to edit the header, so I can just upload an image. And then you can move it around if you want, and click on apply. Then remember to click on save changes. So now I am going to show you how I can change the background. So just doing basics, you can check out the other video on how to change background and design by measurements. So I just did this pretty simple thing, and as you can see, Twitter gives us a few backgrounds which you can choose from, or you can change the color from the background, which is pretty simple, as well as you can upload an image, but it has to be a certain size. So right here I tried to do this, but sometimes Twitter lags and doesn't really do what you ask for. You can see here that we can change that part into a dark or a white type of background. So okay, I'm gonna show you now how basically you can do postings and all that good stuff. So right here you will find more stuff like where you can choose your country and other information. And basically that's how you open up an account.